Hello WordPress users, thanks for checking out another WordPress tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I will be testing out Elementor Page Builder plugin. It is free and you can get it directly from your WP admin when you go to add plugin and search for Elementor. Here it is. Let's install now. Okay, once it's done installing, click on activate, and upon activating the plugin you get to this welcome page here. And then down here, create your first page. Let's see how that looks. Alrighty, this is the Elementor page builder right here. And this works with any themes. So right now I have the default 2019 WordPress theme, and it will work for your theme as well. So first, let's look at the basics over here. We can insert any of these things right here, the heading, inner sections, images, videos, buttons. Okay, first let's check out the heading. Just drag and drop like that, and I can enter in my text directly here or over here as well, so that's pretty nice. And I can also create a link for this heading, and I can change the size, the HTML tag, H1 or H6 or whatever you want. Set the alignment. Okay, and to go back, let's click on this icon over here. Let's add in an image. And so far it's pretty easy to use, and you can change the image size, the alignment, and even add a link if you want, a custom link or a link to a page. So we can change the image by clicking here, choose image, and with the insert media you can upload your own or set an image from your media library. So let me just choose this one, insert it, there it is. Let's go back to the main widget screen. Okay, let's add in some text. Just drag it over like this. And now we can add whatever text we want. Alright, there it is. Now let's go back and add in a button. Just like that. Let's align it in the middle. Let's make the button bigger, extra large. And we can also set an icon. So let's do one of these. You can search for an icon as well. I put it in shop. And here are some icons related to shop. So let me insert this shopping cart icon. I want to make this into a shopping buy now button. Change the button text here. Okay, so buy now, and I will link it to an Amazon affiliate link. And for link option, you can add no follow and open a new window if you like. And we can change styles for pretty much anything. With the style button right here, icon, we can change the background. So let's make this into a blue background. There it is. And what I like about Elementor so far is everything is live. As you change it, you see it right away how your site will look, so that's pretty nice. And you can duplicate a section or any of these features by just right clicking what you want and then clicking on duplicate, and there it is. And any of these sections and rows you can actually just click and drag. Say you want the button up here underneath the image, just drag it up there just like that. Alright, that's pretty easy. Now let's go back to the main basic features and widgets. Let me do one last thing here with a video. Actually, let me do a divider first. So let's drag the divider here. There's the divider. And we can change the style to other things. You can do a double, dash. Alright, let's go back and do one more with the video. So you can add in a YouTube video or Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. And all you have to do to add or embed a video is enter in the link to the video on YouTube. You can even set the start time and end time and have it autoplay and loop. Okay, let me just move this buy button down here, right there. And say you want to delete a section, just go ahead and right click and click on delete to remove it. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this so far. Let's publish it and see how it looks. Alright, so here's my new page. Looks pretty nice. There it is. And again, let me remind you, this is my default WordPress theme, so there's pretty much a blank everything, even the sidebar. There's nothing on this site, so it looks pretty nice. It's pretty easy to build this. If this was a sales page, it's nice and clean. Let me change the theme real quick to see how it looks with another theme. So I have here a super minimal theme. Let me check, see how that looks with this design. Alright, it looks a little bit better, like a sales page. So again, you can play around with the theme. Elementor, pretty cool, pretty easy, and it's free. You can make all kinds of designs and sections, features. You can pretty much build any kind of page you want. So I'm pretty impressed with Elementor. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some ideas about how to use Elementor for your blog. Thanks so much for checking this out. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and other interesting plugins and themes reviews. Thanks so much, and happy blogging.